Hey there, food lovers! We have an old-fashioned treat for you today. We created the best Amish peanut butter cream pie ever. Are you ready to whip up this classic treat today? Grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's create this fantastic masterpiece. Get ready for an exhilarating pie-making journey. Before we dive into the delicious fun, let's gather all our amazing ingredients. No need to fret. We're all about keeping things straightforward and heartwarming, just like the industrious Amish folks. Let's celebrate simplicity and the beauty of hard work together. For the crust, 1½ cups graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 6 tablespoons unsalted butter melted. For the filling, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, cold. For the topping, add ½ a cup of milk chocolate chips and 1 tablespoon of vegetable shortening. Now ain't that a sight for sore eyes? These basic ingredients are on the verge of becoming something extraordinary. To truly savor the delightful experience of peanut butter, we need to establish a solid base that will hold all that creamy goodness perfectly. Let's focus on the crust, everyone. And this ain't no ordinary crust. This here is a homemade crust, and it's easier than riding a mule downhill. Grab yourself a 9-inch pie plate and preheat that oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, gather your ingredients: flour, sugar, salt, and butter. Mix them until you have a crumbly texture. Then add cold water gradually while mixing until the dough forms. Roll out the dough and place it in your pie dish, pressing it evenly. Finally, bake the crust until golden brown and let it cool before adding the creamy center. All right, everyone, get ready, because we're about to venture into the true essence of our mouth-watering masterpiece. This is where all the excitement and flavor come to life. Let's dive right in. The peanut butter filling is what makes this pie so irresistible, and we're about to show you just how easy it is to whip up. Trust us, once you try this, you'll be making it over and over again. In a large bowl, or your trusty stand mixer, beat the softened cream cheese and peanut butter until smooth and creamy. This step is crucial because we want a silky texture that melts in your mouth. Gradually add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract, mixing until everything is well combined. The powdered sugar adds sweetness, while the vanilla extract enhances the flavor, making it more aromatic and delightful. Now, whip that heavy cream in a separate bowl until it forms stiff peaks. This is what gives our filling that light, fluffy texture. We want those peaks holding their own. This means the cream is whipped perfectly, and will add the right amount of airiness to our mixture. Gently fold the whipped cream into the peanut butter mixture until it's light and airy. This step is all about patience and a gentle touch. We want to keep all that lovely air we've whipped into the cream. Be careful not to overmix. We don't want to deflate all that beautiful whipped cream. Overmixing can make the filling dense, and we want it to stay as fluffy as possible. And there you have it, folks. A creamy, dreamy peanut butter filling that's ready to be the star of your pie. Enjoy every bite. What's a good pie without a bit of something on top? A pie is like a blank canvas. You wait for that final touch to make it truly special. We will add a touch of chocolate decadence to our peanut butter masterpiece. Imagine the rich, creamy peanut butter paired with the smooth, velvety chocolate. It's a match made in dessert heaven. It's the perfect finishing touch. The chocolate adds flavor and beautiful visual appeal. Your guests will be impressed before they even take a bite. Pour that dreamy peanut butter filling into our cooled graham cracker crust and spread it evenly. Make sure to get it to the edges so every bite is filled with that delicious peanut butter. Now, combine the milk chocolate chips and vegetable shortening in a microwave-safe bowl. The shortening helps the chocolate melt smoothly and gives it a glossy finish. Microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring between each one until the chocolate is completely melted and smooth. Be patient and keep an eye on it to avoid burning. Grab a spoon and drizzle that melted chocolate over the top of your pie. You can be as generous as you like. There's no such thing as too much chocolate. You can get fancy and create a pattern, or just let it fall naturally. Either way, it's going to look and taste amazing. It's all about having fun. Baking should be a joyful experience, so gather your friends or family and make it a memorable time together. Enjoy the process, and of course, the delicious results.
Welcome to Chilling Out, the art of patience for crafting the perfect pie. Join us on the delightful journey of pie making, where each moment spent waiting enhances the deliciousness of the final creation. Let's embrace the calm and savor every step toward pie perfection. All right, we're almost at the finish line, but it needs a little R&R in the fridge before we can dig into this beauty. Carefully cover your pie with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This will give the filling time to set up and the flavors to meld together. Trust us, the wait will be worth it. Let's slice into happiness, serving your masterpiece. Well, the moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. It's time to slice into this masterpiece and savor the fruits of our labor. Carefully remove your pie from the refrigerator and grab your sharpest pie knife. Slice it up into generous portions and serve it up with a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of chopped peanuts if you're feeling fancy. One bite of this Amish peanut butter cream pie will transport you straight to pie heaven. We're embarking on an exhilarating adventure into the vibrant heart of Amish country, a mesmerizing region where time feels frozen and age-old traditions come alive. In this charming space, simplicity takes center stage, highlighting the beloved craft of baking that has been cherished through the ages. And let us tell you about the pies. Wow, they are nothing short of extraordinary. Each pie is a delightful creation, bursting with flavor and crafted with love, making every bite a memorable experience. Today, we're about to whip up an Amish peanut butter cream pie to make your taste buds sing and dance joyfully. This ain't your average peanut butter pie. It's a creation that combines the best of tradition and taste. This pie is a slice of pure comfort, with a flaky, buttery crust and peanut butter filling so smooth and creamy, it'll make you want to slap your mama. But please don't. The layers of creamy goodness are topped with a drizzle of chocolate that adds just the right touch of sweetness. This recipe has been passed down through generations of Amish families, each adding their own special touch to make it perfect. We're sharing it with you so you can bring a piece of Amish tradition into your own home. Get ready for a taste of pure heaven. Each bite is a journey into a rich, creamy, peanut buttery bliss. So, let's gather our ingredients, roll up our sleeves, and start this pie party. Every step, from the crust to the filling, is a labor of love, resulting in a dessert that will become a family favorite. Let's spread the love, discover the joy of peanut butter. We know you're itching to dig into this pie, and we don't blame you. But before you do, snap a picture and share it with the world. Tag us on your social media creations. We always love to see what y'all are whipping up in your kitchens. Remember to leave a comment below, telling us what you think of this Amish classic. And hey, if you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a big ol' thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more deliciousness, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. And that wraps up our delightful journey into the world of pie making. What a fun adventure it has been. We hope this recipe inspires you to create something unique in the kitchen. Remember, bacon is all about having fun, experimenting, and sharing the love with those around you. Thank you for watching. Until our next adventure, happy baking.